How to delete a Facebook page. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page on your phone, and the process is pretty straightforward. So let's get started. First step is to click up here on these three lines. Then click on your shortcuts. Find the page you want to delete. If it's not showing here under your page shortcuts, click See More below. Then click on Pages. Click on the page you want to delete. Here you'll see the option to switch to the page you want to delete, so click here to switch. Next, click again up here on these three lines. Click down here on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. In Settings, you're going to scroll down. And here under Your Information, click the second option, Access and Control. So here you have three options. Guys, deactivate your page. Deactivating the page is temporary. You can take the page offline here, also temporary, or permanently delete your page with the last option. So you'll choose from these three options. If you want to delete, guys, you can deactivate it for a while so you don't regret it after the page is deleted. But if you really want to delete it, last option, click Continue. You'll choose the reason for deleting the page here, then click Continue. Here it warns you that once deleted, there's no way to recover it, guys. You can't get back your information, photos, or anything you posted on this page. So you can click here, guys, before deleting. Click to download the page activity log, and here to download your information. In this case, 81 photos and 229 posts. After you do that, if you want to download the information, just click below to continue with the page deletion. Got it, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it here. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.